Probably the most important video of the whole entire series. Today is the day that we begin ordering the samples and getting the quotes. We're gonna switch over to my laptop right here, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm doing. About 1 or 2 videos ago, I showed you guys that I'm creating this just massive file. Notes, ideas, all that kind of stuff just gets thrown into this folder. But then if we come over here to final images, that is what I plan on sending over to the potential suppliers. So after years of ordering graphics online and working with suppliers, you always want to minimize the amount of back and forth conversation. It's like that game where you whisper into somebody's ear and then you just pass it along throughout your whole classroom. The original word could have been leather watch, and then by the time it gets whispered over to the last person, it ends up becoming like chicken nugget or something. So what I mean is we want to be as detailed as possible when giving instructions over to the supplier. There's no need to type out some long manifesto of exactly what you're looking for. We have technology.
We have technology.
And here's a tool that I really recommend you download. It's called Lightshot. And let me show you what Lightshot does. So over here, I'm on Alibaba.com. So with Lightshot, what I could do is just press print screen, and then I can drag the exact dimensions I want for a screenshot. And then I can upload it as a link to share with people, which I do a lot, but in this case, you're going to save the image. What's going to happen is it's just going to come right over here into this folder. And then I also have a notepad of links. So for example, if I'm trying to tell my supplier that I like the shape of this, then what I could do is link them to this page and also send them a screenshot of that watch. So with the gold watch, which we're calling Vengeance, what I'm trying to do is combine 3 different watches that are already out there, but I'm combining the aspects of all of them that I like into one watch. When you're creating your folder like this, you want to make sure you get images of what you're looking for, so things that are similar to what you're looking for. You want to have a notepad file of links so that the supplier can view the pages of where you took those screenshots from. And then also, I didn't put it in this folder because I have it written down over there, but let me show you. You also want materials. This is just the graphic that I got from one of the suppliers. How thick the watch is going to be, which is down over here. And then in the middle, it shows us diameter. And then at the top, it shows us potential areas that we can put the logo in. So for the leather watch, I think we're going to do 10 over here. We're going to do, I think, a 35. And then we're going to do the standard logo right there. Here, let me pull up the file. Yeah, so there's that. We're going to put that right there. There, I think we might just put the letter O, and then on the back, I think we're going to engrave the slogan, which is break the rules. You can directly contact these suppliers. As you can see, there's just a button here to say contact supplier, but it's free if you actually go up here. When you request a quote, which we're going to walk through together right now, the suppliers will come to you. Right now, together, we're going to request a quote for the watch boxes. Okay, we're going to click on this right over here at the top. All right, then we're just going to go to try RFQ net box. We're going to do watch box leather. We're going to look for 100 pieces. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I have in mind and then how I'm going to communicate that over to them. Okay, so here is like an example of a leather watch box. What I want is an all black box. And then over here, where this thing says fancy, I want to put a gold skull. So I have the vector over here. Pretty much it's going to look like that, but here's the vector in gold. Inside, over here, I want it to say break the rules in this really nice font that I found. Let me show it to you on Photoshop. So it's going to look like that. It's going to say break the rules, and the style of printing, because there's different things they could do. They can embroider it. They can like press it in with leather. What I'm going to request is gold hot stamping. That is what I'm going to tell them I'm looking for, so we're going to do that right now. I'm going to upload the vector of the skull, so I'm going to put that in there. And then I'm also going to put in the break the rules logo. So what I'm going to say is all black matte finish leather watch box. And I'm also going to take a screenshot of this. this, so they get an idea of like the shape and the dimensions that we're looking for. So just to review, all black, matte finish leather watch box. Outside logo is going to be the skull, which is attached over there. Hot pressed in gold. Inside logo, break the rules, attached right here. Hot pressed in gold. Then we gave him the font name. And then I said similar to the two images attached. Similar in shape and size to the last two images attached, but in all black box. Agree to the two things on the bottom, and we're going to submit the request. Okay, so we have submitted the request. I walked you through the watch box because that was the easiest one to do. For the actual watches, it's going to be the same exact process, but it's just going to take a little bit longer because I'm going to be attaching more images, and I'm going to be giving specifications as to like the thickness, the diameter, all of that. And then as the suppliers start contacting me, I guess it'll show up over here in like the messaging area. So we'll probably get into that in tomorrow's video or the day after, depending how long it takes for them to reply. When I finish recording, I'm gonna go do the exact same process for the sunglasses, for the leather watch, for the leather watch box. Yeah, I think that's it. For the sunglasses, I think the supplier already has this like bundle package where they do the whole thing for you, so that's going to be really helpful. So for the sunglasses, I'm pretty sure it's all going to be from the same manufacturer. So when I find the manufacturer for the first leather watch box, then I'm just going to have them do the exact same process, but just in different colors for the leather watch box. Ideally, you don't want like 10 different warehouses sending you things. The sunglasses are all going to come from one manufacturer. The watch boxes are going to come from another manufacturer. And then the two watches, I think, are going to have to come from different manufacturers because one is just this like all gold, very custom design. And then the other one is like this really badass leather design. Tomorrow's video is going to be very important because we're going to talk about how much of a deposit they're going to want from me, how to order the sample once we do find a supplier, how long the sample is going to take. We're going to get into all of that very important stuff in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think so far in the comment section. I will see you guys in the next video.